Text when you got stuffing hanging from your mouth that makes you look guilty of the de-stuffing. You're not guilty, are you, Arch? Clyde, too rough. Oh, there you go. Now you know. You coming back, guys? Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. Oh, you're playing with the string. We got to get that picked up. Okay. I guess that's it before I make you totally crazy dizzy. Clementine!